Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn something about distributive property. So before learning the distributive property, students, I want to tell you a story. And I'm sure all of you love the stories, isn't it? Okay, so just listen. What is this? Just tell me. Parenthesis or brackets? No, students. What is this? This is our lovely house. What is this? This is the lovely house, and these are the walls of our lovely house, right? Now, who is living inside this house? You and me. So, you and I are living in this house. Am I right? One day, what happened? There is a monster outside our house. This is what? The monster. And what he is doing from outside? He is fighting. Right? So you and I, we make a plan that fighting with monster will be easier for us if we will split ourselves like this. You plus I. So we separate ourselves like this. Right. Now what happened? The monster come inside. He broke the walls. So what he needs to do? Firstly, he comes in our house and he has to fight with you. So this monster is fighting with you. Then again he comes in the next room and the monster has to fight with I also. He is fighting with me now. Right. So it means what happened? If monster has to come inside the walls of our house, he has to fight with you also, and he has to fight with me also. He has to fight with I also. So students, this is something all about the distributive property also. Isn't it the same? This is what was the distributive property? A into B plus C. So you can think about it like this only. This is our house. B and C are living in the house, and A is what? A is the monster. So if A has to come inside the wall of the house, A has to fight with B also, plus A has to fight with C also. This is what we have learnt in distributive property. I have told you the story so that you remember it easily, right? So now let's discuss a questions related to distributive property. So suppose questions will come like this only. Suppose you have to multiply 72 with 102. So fighting with 102, multiplication with 102 is tough. So what 102 will do? 102 will split itself in 100 plus 2. Remember why we have done this? Because multiplication with 100 and multiplication with 2 is easier. So now if this monster 72 has to come inside the house, he has to fight with 100 also, and then he has to fight with 2 also, right? So this result of this first fighting will be easy, 7200. Result of this second fighting will be easy, 72 into 2 is 144. So now the whole result of this fighting comes out to be 4, 4, 3 and 7. So it comes out to be 7344. Wasn't it easy? Yes. I hope you liked the story and now you are able to apply this story in the sums. So this was the first example. Let's discuss one more example now. So now suppose you have the second example, you have to multiply 25 by 97. So again 97 will think about it, that fighting with 97, multiplication with 97 is not easy. So how 97 will split itself? It will split itself like 100 minus 3, because multiplication with 100 and multiplication with 3 is easier than multiplying with 97. So now again, if 25 has to come inside this house, 25 has to fight with 100 first. Now here there was a relation of subtraction. Relation will remain same, right? Then 25 has to fight with 3 also. So result of first fighting comes out to be 2500. Result of second fighting comes out to be 75. And so the result of whole fighting comes out to be 2425. I hope you liked the story, you liked the way we are doing the sums. Thank you and have a nice day.